Hey guys, Kayla here, and
Hi.
and Ashley. Check out her YouTube channel, Ashley Van Balen. And her. Okay, so
This is my room, by the way.
well,
You guys
we're
can see that in
well,
my room tour video suggested by Gabby Chase.
wow. Okay, so when your best friend gets in a whole argument with you because they're talking about your cousin, calling them a B. What are you doing? I don't think she acts like that in other videos. But, see, she even shook her head now. So, he says that she has issues. I told him it's not cool. That's my cousin that he's talking about. And he needs to stop. He's like, oh, okay, sure, whatever. And this is all going on, like, what, for about 20 minutes? 20 minutes to 30 minutes.
Keep talking and I'll
She
figure it
calls
out.
her boyfriend and stuff.
It was hilarious.
He wants to beat the dude.
Pooter.
Shut up. He he's just like, does this kid want his butt
Ace.
whooped?
I say ace. It's a lot easier.
Ace. But he's like, he used to be my best friend.
Oh, wait.
I'm not so sure about that anymore. But yeah,
Since
we might be going to the zoo tomorrow.
What? Yippee. For about
Let's take this out.
For about 1 second. For about a half an hour now.
Pretty much. And he used to be one of my best friends. But
Pretty funny.
I don't think anymore.
What do you mean pretty funny? It's funny. Like the whole conversation is just like funny.
And then we got my brother into it.
And he's not even here.
If you can even see that he is nowhere in this room.
I will pick up this computer and like show you can. But I'm not letting you guys look into my dresser drawers.
Let's go look at them. And she's sleeping. Kidding. Because she's looking at me like I'm a creeper.
No. Oh, by the way, I licked your shoulder again when you didn't notice.
Really?
It was like,
she licked my shoulder earlier, and then she's like, you didn't know that I licked your shoulder? I'm like, Ashley, you're disgusting. But he's getting me pissed off right now. What? Ugh, she's texting Joshy Poo.
shut it.
And he's texting Ashy Bear.
Shut it.
And see, she's even smiling. So you know it's true.
I'm not.
What?
Anyway.
You're not what?
Wait. It is 12:22 a.m. on
We're
a
going
dark
to the
and
zoo
stormy
later.
night.
Not even storming.
I know.
But yeah, he's getting me really pissed off right now.
Giggity.
I'm not Quagmire.
I wish I was.
Doesn't everybody?
No.
I know.
We should ask Josh.
What if he wants to be Quagmire?
Do you want to be Quagmire and get laid every single night? I'm gonna ask him that.
Ugh. I'm so bored right now. But yeah. Whole argument with one of my best friends. And she's smiling like an idiot because of Josh.
Do you want
And she's putting, oh, I see you. Do you want to be?
I see.
Okay,
Okay, no.
I see you want
I'm saying, oh, I see. Do you want to be Quagmire?
Are you gonna text everybody that? Especially Anthony Boucher.
How do we spell? That is not Quagmire. I'm just gonna say oh dot dot dot. I see.
There went the question.
Well, I'm like half out of the picture.
I know, you talk.
What do I talk about?
I don't know. Talk about anything. Oh, she scares me. I'm surprised Josh haven't broke up with her yet. I love you, Ashley.
Mm-hmm.
Ow!
Cover mine.
You pretty.
I know I did. You guys want to see how long my hair is? It's not that long.
Now the action
Okay,
happens.
wait. That's how long it is. It just goes down to my boob. Not even my boob.
Mine's pooter. Keyword, another word.
No,
for
don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it.
Kidding.
Ow. So, ow. Okay. Ow. Okay. Sorry. No, don't say bye, because I still got a few more.
But you just said it.
To say. I said no, don't say bye.
Exactly. Didn't she just say bye?
Because I told her not to say it. Okay. But anyways.
I'm using your brush.
Subscribe.
I love you.
What if I had lice?
You
I don't.
See, exactly, you don't.
Okay, but anyways. Subscribe to my channel.
And mine. Yes. Okay, shut up.
But Ashley Van Balen do any type of videos, and just not inappropriate ones. I do not take my top off in front of a camera. Blah. I don't do that stuff. But I do hair tutorials,
Which we're
makeup.
making one later too.
Yeah. I'm going to do a fishbone braid on her hair.
So
And
long, fluffy, and blonde.
and I'm going to show you how to straighten your hair without really burning your hair. Okay, but
Unlike that one video when that girl was curling her hair and she burned her hair off.
Yeah,
Hilarious.
she
But
did.
also sad.
Her hair was pretty too. It was like so long.
Okay, so now can I say bye because it's already been 8 minutes and 13 seconds.
No.
What do you want this video to be, an hour?
Yeah.
No!
Oh.
People aren't gonna watch this then. Be like, oh no, too bored. Done.
Mm.
I'm guessing she's a dinosaur now.
I was a whale.
That's kind of like a dinosaur.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.